Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now by gathering what matters and choosing a moment. This makes the rest smoother. Bring a small pouch with a pad, spare underwear, and wipes so you're prepared. Once ready, pick a calm 10-20 minute window when she's not distracted. Make your opening line short and direct. Say, "I started my period," or "I need help with my period." Doing these first actions reduces nerves and signals you want a practical response. You say it plainly and then allow silence so she can respond. This gives space for understanding. Once done, show the pouch or a pad to make the situation concrete and practical. Visual cues help move conversation to solutions. Make one clear ask. You need supplies, guidance, or a private minute. Then describe any discomfort or questions you have so she knows how to help. Keep your voice steady. Clarity gets you what you need quickly and reduces miscommunication. You close by agreeing on next steps so both of you feel practical and supported. Ask for pads, pain relief, or a moment of privacy. Once done, plan a follow-up. Track your cycle, try different products, or set a time for questions when you're both calm. If she reacts badly or dismissively, step back. Find another trusted adult or give it a short pause and try again later. That troubleshooting plan protects you and keeps the issue moving toward care.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.